times 2.
21.
14 plus 7 more is 21. Okay, so here's that if-then statement. If we have only 2 oxygens on the left-hand side, we have an odd number on the right, we're going to take that odd number and put it over 2 in front of the oxygen, because that would give us 21 oxygens, right?
Yeah, it would.
What? Hold on.
It's O2, right?
Yeah, so
21 over 2.
we need 10 and a half O2s with this thing, basically.
Okay.
Because you have to get 10 and a half.
Okay, I'm rolling with
What happens when we do this, ladies and
You
gentlemen?
get 21.
You get 21. Now, what do you know? What have you noticed about all of our coefficients?
They're all whole numbers.
They're all whole numbers. So we cannot keep a fraction as a coefficient. So we need to get rid of this fraction. Now it's over 2, right?
Yeah.
To get rid of the 2 in the denominator, we need to multiply by 2. So what we do to 1, we must do to all. So we're going to multiply all 4 things by 2. So in front of our organic compound, we have coefficient 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 21 over 2 times 2 is 21. 7 times 2 is
14.
14. 7 times 2 is 14.
60.
Yes. Now, one of the things that you can do, you kind of check yourself to see if everything is balanced. You can write down each element that is in the reaction. And write down the numbers that you see on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. If the numbers are the same thing, then it's balanced. So if we do it for this one, we have 14 carbons on the left-hand side, right?
Yeah.
How many carbons on the right-hand side? 14. Okay, how many hydrogens do we have on the left-hand side? 28. How many hydrogens on the right-hand side? 28. Looking pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, oxygens. How many oxygens do we have total on the left-hand side?
42.
42.
Oh, yeah.
21 times 2. How many oxygens on the right-hand side? Well, 14 times 2 we said was 28 plus 14 more is
42.
42.
Go ahead and go out on a limb here and say 42.
Oh, okay. I get it now. I get it now. Okay.
So basically, we just make the thing and then make a that is a coefficient of whatever the denominator is.
Okay, that makes
All right. Try this one on your own.
This is gonna scare me though.
Don't be scared, Luca.
Okay.
There's a 5. CS on it.
So C5H10 plus O2 yields to CO2 plus H2O. After this, we have one more. I want to have one more example to kind of show you. Then I'll let you start working on the assignment. We will go over the assignment first thing on Thursday. Now, since it is, you're not working on it completely in class. If you have any questions, email me. Stop by tomorrow if you have any questions. Hunt me down. Seek me out. I'll answer your queries.
Oh yeah, you're messed up. That ain't right.
I messed up somewhere.
Go back next year.
15 over 1.
What is it up there? That's 15.
15 times 2 is 30. You have 30 over here. Why do you just put 15 over 1? It's just 15. That'd be 30 oxygen. And that's 10 oxygen. 10 oxygen. 15 oxygen. You're missing 15 oxygen.
What order did you go?
I'm on 5 and by 2.
Because you have 15 over 2. You grab it from
Ah, yes.
Okay, I get that you trying to tell me to.
And then you gotta do your 15 over 2. What's that?
See why they're confused me.
Alright, let's see if we came up with these coefficients. Did we come up with 2,
Probably.
Yeah.
15,
According to my calculations, that is.
10,
Yep.
and 10?
Most likely.
Yes?
Yeah.
Does anybody need to see how I came up with 2, 15, 10, 10?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
How many carbons on the left-hand side?
5.
5, so we need to put a 5 right here. How many hydrogens on the left-hand side?
10.
10. Right-hand side, we only have 2, so we need to put a coefficient of 5 in front of the H2O, so we can get 10 hydrogens. Now, oxygens. How many oxygens do we have on the right-hand side right now? So, 5 times 2 is
10.
10, plus
15.
5 more is 15. So, odd number over 2 in front of the O2, but we cannot keep that fraction, so we have to multiply everything by 2. So, 2, 15, 10, and 10.
Yep.
Any additional questions? All right, one more if-then statement with combustion reactions. All right, so for this one, balance carbon and hydrogen, stop.
Where'd you say stop at?
Balance carbon, hydrogen, stop.
Also, it's different because there's an O in both of the
That's
reactants.
one of the things that's going to come up. Yes.
Okay.
That makes more sense.
All right. So did we come up with coefficient of 5 in front of carbon dioxide and coefficient of 6 in front of water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's at least there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, once again, it gets down to the oxygens. Left-hand side, we have 3 oxygens, right? Everyone agree to that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how many oxygens we have total on the right-hand side?
10, 16.
16. 5 times 2?
Mm-hmm.
10. Plus 6 more? 16. Everybody see that?
Yep.
All right. So here's that other if-then statement. If we have an even number of oxygens on the right-hand side, we have 3 on the left. We're going to put a coefficient of 2 out in front of our organic compound and reassess. So now that coefficient 2 gives us how many carbons on the left-hand side? 10. So let's get 10 on the right. Change that 5 to a 10. How many hydrogens do we have on the left-hand side? More than 22.
3.
Nope. We said that we had 12 before, right?
Yeah.
If we put that coefficient of 2 out front, 12 times 2 is
24.
24. So how do we get 24 over on the right-hand side?
12.
12, yeah.
Change that coefficient of 6 to a 12.
Yeah, we should do the 2 times the H. And that gives you 2 Anything in front of it.
2 times 11, 22 plus 2 times 1. All right, now, how many oxygens do we have total on the right-hand side? Well,
32.
32. 10 times 2,
20.
20 plus 12 more, 32. Over on the left-hand side, we have 4 right now. Agreed?
Mm-hmm.
But are all the oxygens together?
No.
No. So how can we get 32 over on the left-hand side?
We'll see you do 15 just in front of the O2.
All right, so if I do 15 in front of the O2 on the left-hand side, 15 times 2 gives us 30, plus the 2 more from our organic compound gives us
32.
32. Okay? All right, what kind of questions do we have?
38.
All right, so the assignment, there's 10 problems. You have to tell me what type of reaction. I want you to try to balance. Work on that. We're going to go over that first thing on Thursday, okay? Questions? Nope. All right.
Okay, there. Got the perfect ending shot there.